Good morning! Our lesson is all about adding and subtracting decimal and mixed decimals. How to add and subtract decimal. So we have 3 steps to follow. Step 1 is arrange the digits in columns and align the decimal points. So para lang tayong nag-a-add ng whole number, pero ang una nating gagawin, i-align natin yung decimal point o pagtatapat-tapatin natin. So, step 2, insert zeros in empty decimal place values if needed so that all of the numbers have the same number of decimal places. So kung kulang ng digits o digit ang decimal o mixed decimal, lalagyan natin ng 0 para hindi nakakalito pag inad natin o sinubtract, para meron silang same number of decimal places. Step 3, add or subtract as with the whole number. So mag-add daw o mag-subtract na parang nag-a-add lang o nagsusubtract ng whole number. Halimbawa ito, inad natin. So yung 2 and 25 hundredths o 2.25, dinagdagan natin ng dalawang 0. Yung 300ths o 0.03, dinagdagan natin ng dalawang 0 para pantay-pantay yung decimal places ng tatlong addend. So yung i-add nating mixed decimal. So 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15, carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. Then ang huling gagawin natin, lalagyan natin ng decimal point na nakatapat pa rin doon sa inad natin o sinubtract. So ganun ang step-by-step procedure sa pag-a-add or pagsusubtract ng decimal or mixed decimal. Learning task 2. Arrange in column and add the following decimal numbers. Write your answer in your notebook. Hindi na natin sasagutin yung learning task 1. So magsisimula tayo sa learning task 2. Number 1, 8 thousandths plus 2 hundredths plus 87 10 thousandths plus 39 hundredths plus 3,661 10 thousandths. So, ang unang step natin, syempre, i-align natin yung decimal point ng mga decimal or mixed decimal. Pagtatapat-tapatin natin yung decimal point. Second step is maglalagay tayo ng 0 para same number yung digit ng i-add natin. Pag nagawa na natin yon, mag-a-add tayo na parang nag-a-add lang ng whole number. 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. Plus 0 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 0 plus 8 is 16. Plus 0 plus 6 is 22, carry 2. 2 plus 0 plus 2 is 4. Plus 0 plus 9 is 13. Plus 6 is 19, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Then pag inad natin yung lahat ng 0, syempre 0 pa rin yun. Then put decimal point na nakatapat pa rin dun sa inad nating addend. So our answer is 7,928 10 thousandths. Learning task 3. Solve the problems below. Write your answer in your notebook. So, sasagutan na natin yung number 1. Kayo na yung bahala sa mga susunod na numbers. Number 1, 3 pails have different capacities. The small pail can hold 62 10,000 liters of water. The bigger pail has a capacity of 3,792 10,000 liters, while the biggest pail holds 9,914 10,000 liters. Find the total amount of water that can be stored in the pails. So, siyempre, pag sinabing total amount of water, i-add lang natin. So, siyempre, yung unang step, i-align natin lahat ng addend. So, yung i-add natin. Pagtatapat-tapatin natin yung decimal point, katulad niyan. Then pare-parehas naman sila ng digits ng decimal, bilang ng digits. Siyempre hindi na tayo magdadagdag ng 0, mag-a-add na tayo. 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 8, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 6 is 16, carry 1, 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 1 is 17, carry 1, 1 plus 9, 10, plus 3, 13, carry 1, 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. Then put decimal point na naka-align pa rin dun sa mga addends. So the answer is 1 and 3,768 10,000ths. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga gagawin kong math tutorial. Hanggang dito na lamang and God bless po. Thank you.